All right, here's the explanation of the first part of the first problem on that practice sheet. Please don't watch this video until you've tried to do number 1 on that practice sheet on your own, so you feel like you have an attempt already. Okay, so for part A, they asked you to find the third degree Taylor polynomial for x equals 3. So I'm looking for the third degree polynomial. And the way I'm going to fill that in is using the Taylor series formula, which says we're going to figure out f of 3 plus f prime of 3 times x minus 3 plus f double prime of 3 divided by 2 factorial times x minus 3 squared plus f triple prime of 3 divided by 3 factorial times x minus 3 to the third. Okay. They often ask you for a third degree Taylor polynomial. They're testing, when they do that, they're testing to make sure that you realize that this is a factorial. If they only asked you for a second degree Taylor polynomial, they wouldn't know for sure that you knew that was a factorial. So you'll often see that the College Board will ask for a third degree Taylor polynomial. That's checking to make sure that you're comfortable with the formula. Okay. They gave us information about f prime, f double prime. Okay, so we're going to fill that into this formula. We're going to fill in the information they gave us about the value of the function. So the third degree Taylor polynomial is going to be 1, because f of 3 is 1, plus 1/2, because f prime of 3 is a half. Minus 1/4 times 2 factorial.
What? Mom, it's 10 o'clock. I saw the clock.
I said 10:30.
Means
3, 8 times 3 factorial.
That's in over 2 hours.
Okay. You can simplify this, but you don't have to. They didn't ask you to simplify it. For part B, you'll be evaluating this function, so you might want to simplify it. This coefficient would simplify to 1/16 if you did simplify it. This would be 1/8 after you simplify it. So you can simplify if you want to. Make sure that you're shifting your polynomial because you're not centered at 0. It's not a Maclaurin polynomial. It's a Taylor polynomial. You're centered at 3, so each of these terms needs to be shifted. It's easy to forget that. That's how you do part A.